Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. If this is your first time gracing us with your presence, hello darling, welcome, settle in. It's going to be a good one. An unboxing, we love unboxings, so great time to choose to sit in here and check out one of the videos. If you are returning, hello loves, how are you? Make sure you sound off in the comments and say hello. I love hearing from you guys, love checking out your channels, love saying hello back and just, you know, commenting down below, so make sure you do that before you go. Okay, let's get to it. I know you lot like to get right to it. We don't like to have too much chit chat, but you know I chit chat anyway. I mean I try to get right to it, but the chit chat is what we do here. That's what we do. So anyway, okay, so this one now, you guys, I'm going to put a video up here. Not too long ago I unboxed something, and you know, we had like this whole dialogue in the comments about this item, and then after that I updated my wish list, and I put out my 2021 luxury wish list for handbags and SLGs, and this item was on the list. So yeah, so this is a 2021 wish list unboxing, and I'm eating my words a little bit because it was a bag that I was kind of on the fence about, and I was like, I don't know if I want it, I don't know, it's not really my jam, you know, doing the thing, and you know, like low-key, like you really do want it. I mean, who doesn't want, you know, a Louis Vuitton bag, right? So who doesn't want that, right? So it's kind of like, really, you didn't want it, but it's, you know, just trying to make it make sense and where it would fit in my collection, if it really suited me or not. So went on Fashion File, was looking, saw one. All right, I was like, I'm not too super excited about the price. Let me see how it goes, or maybe it'll go down, maybe get marked down, what have you. I ended up missing it, and I was like, ugh. And then all the ones that I saw after that, they were higher price. They're sold out on the website, Louis Vuitton website. I mean, I could have went in store and maybe got one, or like, you know, reached out to somebody like an SA somewhere or what have you, or call a store and find it. Like if I really wanted it, I could have like tracked it down in a store, but I wanted to see if I can get it for a little bit of a discount, because you know we like a discount. So I wanted to see if I can get it a little bit cheaper, especially with all those price increases. By the way, did you see the most recent price increase last week? Whew, I mean, not everything went, you know, up, but still, it's like they're staggering. The increases now, I think we're up to what, third, fourth increase on Louis Vuitton site with Louis Vuitton pieces in this year so far already. And I know it's not every single item that's going up each time, but they've been consistently increasing those prices. So Auntie Ren was like, yeah, no, we got to see if we can find this for a little bit cheaper. And finally found it. Nabbed it up for the price that I was willing to pay for it, and here we go. So this came from Fashion File. Ding. Wait, thumbnail. Issues, I know, we know I have issues, it's all right. So anyway, so this is from Fashion File, guys. So we're going to open it up. It did come in another box, but the box just wasn't cute. I'm gonna keep it 100, and I got a lot of these boxes, so I put it in one of my Louis Vuitton boxes, but it came from Fashion File, you know, brown, you know, shipping box, and they had it stuffed up, but I didn't like the way it looked. So oops, I just dropped the thingy. I'll get that. So it comes with the, you know, the nail file that says Fashion File, and it says, I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. Yes. We agree. So, and it comes with a nail file, and that's pretty standard. There was one over the holidays that I had got a package from Fashion File, and they had a cleaning kit in it, but I guess they've done away with that because I haven't gotten another one since. So I haven't gotten a cleaning kit with this one. It came with this, and it was stuffed with this extra piece in the bag and with confetti, which all Fashion File packages come with confetti. But yeah, it was in this ugly brown box, and it's a small item, so it did not, it just wasn't looking all of that, so we put it in a Louis Vuitton box. It also came with the receipt. I'm gonna open that up, and Fashion File sends you like a nice little card situation, and you open it up, and it has a postcard inside that says thank you. And then it also says shop, sell, repeat. They usually buy back their items, or they'll, you know, work it out with you that you can sell on the website. I will hold the receipt for now so we can talk about price once I unbox the item, and I can tell you what I paid for it. And then it just says, we want this back. When you're ready, simply click the sell back link in your Fashion File account for up to 75% of the purchase price, which is great. So, you know, you can have like an ongoing relationship with Fashion File if that's what you're into. But yeah, I only sold one item on Fashion File, and it was something that I got from them, and it didn't work out for me, and I ended up returning it. So yeah, anyway, or selling it back to them. So this item, I don't want to show it to you, because once I show you how it's packaged, I think you guys are going to know what it is. But comment down below if you can guess what it is just from the packaging. See, some of you guys are super savvy, so you're like, I know what it is, boom, and you put it in the comments. So comment down below if you got it right, if you know what it is. But there's a sticker on it, and it says used is the new, which all Fashion File items come with that. Oh my gosh, guys, can you guess what it is? You're gonna die laughing when you see what this is. So yeah, just wrapped in the paper. I'm not going to show it anymore on camera, because I feel like as soon as I show it to you, you're going to know exactly what it is. But all Fashion File items come in a beautiful Fashion File dust bag. So we'll give that a look. See, boom, okay. That's pretty traditional, nothing out of the ordinary. You're gonna die. Oh my god, wait, I have to see. I have to see it. I haven't seen it before, so I have to see it. This is so, oh my god, it's so nice. I don't want to say what I really wanted to say until I actually pull it out. All right. I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Guys, are you gagging right now? Tell me you're not dying. I'm dying. Oh my gosh. So guys, this is the Louis Vuitton Palm Spring Mini in the reverse. Look at it. Oh my god. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. All right, so this is, oh my god, it looks really good. What does it say on it? It just says Louis Vuitton Reverse Monogram. Comes with dust bag and 2 straps. Oh sweet, so there's a dust bag inside. Awesome. All right, so there's a dust bag. Oh yep, so it came with the dust bag, which is so tiny. It's so little. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, so cute. Look at it. This is like next to my hands. Like, look at it. It's tiny. It's so little, super cute. I knew it was little. This is not a shock to me, but I knew that once I said it was so cute, you guys were going to know exactly what it is, because that's one of the things I was beasting about. I was like, it's too little for me. It looks like it should be for my daughter. It's such a baby bag, but I love it. I think it's adorable. All right, so this is the reverse monogram. This is my second reverse monogram piece. The other one is my on the go GM that I have that in the reverse monogram as well. This looks really good. Now this is the old zipper model. So okay, hold on, let's do this properly. All right, it has these straps in here, so it's got the 2 straps. I don't know how to work these, no clue. I have to figure out how this works, because I don't intend on wearing this as a backpack. That's not what we're doing. So this is going to be more of like a crossbody bag, so I've got to figure out how to sort out these straps so that it can do that for me. Or what I'll do is I'll put my Pochette Matisse monogram strap on it and use that, because that one is adjustable, and use that as well if these don't work for me. But it comes with the 2 straps, which are adjustable. I've never used this kind of adjusting before, so I'll have to play around with it and see. But it does have let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 holes. It looks like this one's on the last one, so that's good. It looks like it can get pretty long. Is that the last one? No, this one is, I don't know. I've got to sort this out. I don't know how this works, but it looks pretty long. It looks like it'll work for a crossbody for me. Kind of hard to tell sitting down, so I'm gonna have to try it out and see what it looks like, but it looks like it'll work. So that's the straps, and it has the old zipper model, which I knew already going into this, that this was the older model of zipper. That's probably why I got it for the price that I got it at. I'm not upset about it being the old zipper model. That's okay, as long as it like doesn't snag and like damage the bag. Like once it starts to get to that point that I'm like concerned, and but no, the zipper sounds pretty good. It sounds all right. It's moving really smooth. It doesn't seem to be catching. There isn't any, I'm looking. There isn't any wear or tear on the canvas around the zipper. So, I mean, I don't mind that. There's a booklet in here as well. And the booklet has all of the little stickers. So it has the textile card, which is that, and it says coated fabric, exterior textile lining, calf skin trimming, and it has the product sticker here, and it says P Springs Mini M Reverse, and the product number is M42411. So that's that. So yeah, and then I guess this card is just going to tell you like how to look after it. I never look at these things, or this booklet. I never look at the booklet, but you know, if that's what you're into. But yeah, it came with that. But yeah, so the zipper seems all right. What's the date code on this bad boy? Is it made in France? Let's see. Yes, made in France. Yes. Woohoo! So it's a made in France piece. That's good. Okay, we're liking it. What's the date code on this bad boy? So date code on this one is FL3137, so 33rd week of 2017. So it was made in 2017. I mean, I like it. Even with it being the older zipper model, I think that it's pretty smooth. So let's see, look. Yeah, pretty smooth. It's not catching, so that's really great. It's got this little pocket here to the front. I mean, I don't know what can fit in there. Tic Tacs, what are you putting in here? I have no idea. It's so tiny, like literally you could barely fit your fingers in it. You're not putting anything of any significance. No phone can fit in there, you know. There's nothing. It's super tiny. There is one pocket inside in the back here. In the back of the bag, there's one pocket. Again, you know, not much going in there. I wonder if it can fit a phone. Let me see if it can fit a phone. I have a phone here. Let's see. Yeah, it can fit a phone back there. This is really cute. I think it's super darling. I can see myself wearing it even just like by the top handle here. It looks really good. Fashion File doesn't disappoint. I mean, they usually do a fantastic job of sending off the best items. I'm checking the corners, guys, like just, you know, normal places where you would see wear and tear and creasing and scuffs and, you know, things of that nature. And this bag, it looks flawless. Like it looks absolutely in excellent condition. I have no complaints. So let's talk about money. All right, let's talk about pricing here. So this one, brand new right now, it's out of stock online, so but it's about $21.40, so $2,140 US right now for this, and I'll pop it up on the screen so you can see it. At the time that I looked it up, it was out of stock, but you know that changes by the second, so you can go in there and look, but it was, yeah, $2,140 US before tax if you are in a tax state. So I paid for this. Let's get into the goodies. Fashion File, $1,850 US, and then tax, that was before tax, so $1,850 US before tax, and then with tax it came in all in at $1,961. So even with the tax, this was cheaper than getting it brand new from the shops. So I mean, I saved like what, couple $100. Not significant, like it's not like a huge savings, like, oh, you save like $300, $400, $500. Not as big as I would like, but definitely did not pay full price for it. And as we all know, you don't get Louis Vuitton on sale, you don't get a reduction in price. Louis Vuitton does not go on sale. So if you could get it, you know, a little bit cheaper, whatever, go for it. Do you get it? And that's what I did with this one, because it was something I was kind of on the fence about, because it was something that I was kind of like, I don't know. And then everyone in the comments, guys, you got to go see that video, were like, no, sis, get the bag. You will love it. I love it. I have mine. I'm plus size. I love it. And that was one of my concerns, is that I'm a bigger girl, curvier girl. Is this going to look absolutely ridiculous on me? You know, should I just get this for my daughter and be done with it? You know, and I know she's kind of looking at me from the sideline and she's like, that's going to be mine. So she's like probably got eyes on this and dibs, but so far I absolutely love it. I think it's adorable. I think it's super cute. Definitely going into spring and summer, this is going to be a hitter. Like, I can definitely see rocking this out. I love that it's going to be carefree, so I don't have to worry about vachetta, getting, you know, water spots and so on it. I mean, I love it. I love my Palm Springs. I have the Palm Springs backpack in the MM size, and I'm absolutely loving that. Like right now, that's my bag that I'm using right now, and it's hitting. It's so good. I love it. So I can only imagine how much fun I'm going to have with this little guy, but this is so awesome. So I'm so excited. I got it, guys. Wish list coming down. Check off. Ching. We're checking it off. One down, 50 million to go. I think, guys, and I hate to say this, because I feel like as soon as you say this, you're like jinxing yourself, but I'm gonna put it out there in the universe. I'm almost at purse piece when it comes to Louis Vuitton. Like, I feel really good about my collection. I feel really good about the pieces that I have. I'm ready to venture out and get some different pieces, different houses, different fashion houses, explore some different things, even looking at potentially getting maybe some more trendier Louis Vuitton pieces. Like, but as far as my classics go, I feel really good about my classics collection, my core collection, and feel like I can get a little bit more, you know, experimental now and get some of those, like you know, like the Cannes bag, which I feel like, don't get me wrong, it's gorgeous, trunk style Louis Vuitton classic in that sense, but it is a little bit more trendy as far as wearing it out every day. But I feel good about getting that now, you know. Or even the Boit Chapeau Souffle is another one that I feel, you know, again, it's a little bit more trendy, even though it's a classic silhouette, but I can see now fitting that into my collection a little bit more, because I feel really good about my core pieces. So anyway, all right, enough rambling. I am done. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know every time I put up a video. And yeah, that's it. I'm out. Thank you so much for stopping in for another one. Hope to see you in the comments. Talk to you soon. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Talk to you soon. Bye.